Hello! So it's not very often I share a product with you unless it's exceptionally good. And I like things that set up fast and set down fast, and a good example of that is the Slummock tent. It pops up in a few seconds and sets down in a few seconds. But now I found something new, and it's this Zenph portable grill. Now, it folds down to less than an inch, so it's very compact. And it's not one of these rubbish quality ones, it's actually a good 3.5 kilos, so you can tell the quality just from the weight. It's made of 304 stainless steel, so it doesn't rust, it's food grade quality, and here's what it's all about. You get your grill plate, and this is how you set it up. Done. And then you're all good to take it to the beach, to the woods, or on one of your adventures. Now, it doesn't need any screws, it's completely as it is from outside the box, so you take it out of the box and it's ready to go. And yeah, it's perfect. That's what it looks like on the inside. It's very stable, and like I said, I like things to set up fast and set down fast. So to set this back down, you literally take the barbecue and then fold that in, it's back to normal. And then the grill plate sits nicely on top. And like I said before, it's 304 stainless steel, so it's easy to clean. Everything just brushes off. Obviously mine's a bit well used now, but just going to put that back in the case, and I hope it's something you found interesting. So I'll see you next time.